Whether you're preparing for school exams, entering a health-related field, or simply curious about how your body works, this course is your perfect starting point. Have you ever wondered how your body works like a perfectly tuned machine? How does your heart beat without you thinking about it? How do your lungs know when to breathe in or out? How do you run, eat, sleep, heal, or even fight off disease, all without conscious effort? The answer lies in your body systems, a collection of interconnected organs working 24/7 to keep you alive, energized, and balanced. In this course, we're going to dive deep into the human body systems, what they are, how they work, and why they matter. Why study human body systems? Think of your body as a city. Roads equals blood vessels. Power stations equals organs. Communication lines equals nerves. Defense walls equals immune cells. Every part of the city, like every body system, has a job. And if one part breaks down, the whole system feels the impact. Understanding your body systems helps you take better care of your health, prepare for exams or biology courses, build a foundation for careers in medicine, nursing, fitness, or wellness, and simply become more in tune with how your body works. This course is designed for absolute beginners. No prior science knowledge needed. You'll explore each body system in depth, what it does, how it works, which organs are involved, and how it connects with other systems. Each lecture is short, clear, and paired with animated visuals, real-world examples, short quizzes, and interactive questions to test your knowledge. Let's take a guided tour of your body systems. Skeletal system. The skeletal system is your body's structural foundation. It's made of 206 bones that not only hold you upright, but protect your organs like armor. Did you know your ribs shield your heart and lungs? Bones also produce blood cells and store minerals like calcium. And with the help of joints and cartilage, they allow movement. Muscular system. Ever wondered how you move your hand, smile, or even blink? That's your muscular system at work. You have over 600 muscles. Some you control, like your arms, and others work automatically, like your heart and stomach. You'll learn about the 3 types of muscle: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Circulatory system. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. It pumps blood through a 60,000-mile network of blood vessels. That's your circulatory system, delivering oxygen, nutrients, and hormones, and removing waste. You'll understand how arteries, veins, and capillaries work, and how it connects with the lungs and kidneys. Respiratory system. Take a deep breath in and out. You've just used your respiratory system. From your nose to your lungs, it filters air, delivers oxygen to your blood, and gets rid of carbon dioxide. You'll explore how breathing works and what happens during exercise or asthma attacks. Digestive system. That snack you just had? Your digestive system is breaking it down right now. From chewing to stomach acids to enzymes in the small intestine, every part plays a role in turning food into energy. We'll walk through the full path: mouth, esophagus, stomach, intestines, and out. Nervous system. Your nervous system is your body's communication highway. It helps you think, feel, move, and react. With the brain as command center and nerves as messengers, it controls everything, even while you sleep. You'll learn about the brain, spinal cord, reflexes, and the difference between voluntary and involuntary actions. Endocrine system. What tells your body to grow, or to feel hungry, or to sleep. That's your endocrine system, a group of glands that release hormones. These tiny chemicals control major processes like metabolism, puberty, mood, and more. You'll explore glands like the pituitary, thyroid, pancreas, and adrenal glands. Urinary system. Your body is constantly cleaning itself. The urinary system filters your blood to remove excess water, salt, and waste, which becomes urine. Kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra all work together to keep your blood clean and balanced. Immune and lymphatic systems. Every day, your body faces millions of germs. The immune system protects you like a personal army, using white blood cells, antibodies, and lymph nodes. The lymphatic system helps drain fluids and carries immune cells to infection sites. You'll learn how vaccines work, what causes inflammation, and how your body fights disease. Integumentary system. Your skin is more than just a cover, it's your largest organ. The integumentary system includes your skin, hair, nails, and sweat glands. It protects against germs, helps regulate temperature, and allows sensation. You'll also learn how wounds heal and why we get goosebumps. Reproductive system. The reproductive system allows humans to create new life. We'll explore the male and female reproductive organs, how fertilization happens, and how hormones like estrogen and testosterone shape development. This section is taught with sensitivity and clear educational focus. How systems work together. Here's something amazing. No system works alone. The muscular and skeletal systems work together to help you move. The respiratory and circulatory systems team up to deliver oxygen. The nervous and endocrine systems control everything from heartbeat to mood. This course will constantly connect the dots between systems so you see your body as one big, beautiful, interactive network. What you'll gain from this course. By the end of this course, you'll understand how each body system works, be able to identify major organs and their functions, connect body systems to real-life experiences, gain confidence in biology and human anatomy, build a strong foundation for future science or healthcare studies. Whether you're a student, a parent, a health enthusiast, or just curious, this course is for you. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of your body? Click enroll now, and let's start this fascinating journey inside the human body, one system at a time.